Right here, I got a new alarm a couple of days ago at a local antique store. Here it is. Some of you hardcore fire alarm enthusiasts are probably screaming a bunch of expletives at me as to how lucky I was to obtain this alarm. It's a smoke detector with a strobe plate. Go ahead and investigate here. Smoke detector, as you can see, is an ESL. As to the specific model number, I have not been able to figure out yet because I've been unsuccessful in trying to pop the cover off so I can dismount the detector and investigate it a little more. As for the strobe plate, it's very, very different from what most strobe plates would be. One, there's no reflector in the strobe, and the strobe tube is really, really large. And it's got a hanger. So let's go ahead and look at the back here. This unit was made by Whelen Engineering. Yes, Whelen, the same company that makes outdoor warning sirens and emergency vehicle light bars. During the 80s and I think a little bit of the 90s, they made fire alarm devices. This is the Whelen Strobe-Alarm. It is a portable audible visual smoke detector. This particular unit was manufactured in August of 1987. It's a 120 volt AC, 75 FPM, 100 candela strobe plate with smoke detector. It's a very, very cool little device. Here's your installation instructions and testing instructions. Very self-explanatory. Gonna go ahead and have a little break in this video, and I'm gonna take off the little cover plate here and we'll investigate the insides. Alright, back cover is off. There's really nothing too interesting on the inside here except for stickers for the strobe. Yeah, the model number for the strobe itself is VSA. The strobe was manufactured on July 23rd, 1987. 120 volts AC, 30 amps, 60 hertz, 100 candela, 75 flashes per minute. And there's the smoke detector. You can't really see much in there except for the UL sticker. Mainly because of the way that it's mounted. You can't really take it off because it's tightly secured. All the wiring here, yes, I get that it's a mess, but that's just the way that it has to be wired. Yeah. I'm guessing that these three wires over here, or actually these four, would probably be to like interconnect different smoke alarms. So there could be a possibility that you could interconnect different strobe alarms, but that would require quite a mess of wiring. So anyway, I'll close this thing back up and get it hooked up to power, and we can go ahead and test it out.